from the company Kenperry is a blanket, 50 by 60, ultra fine thin fiber flannel. Check online for the colors you're after. It has a white background, a nice design box for loved ones, gifts. It has the saying, as you can see on here, wrap up this blanket and know you are loved. This is a blanket, a hug from me to you. A close-up look at the flannel, the colors, and the softness, machine washable. So if you're looking to have a blanket that you can wrap yourself up in, very soft indeed, with the sayings, wrap up in this blanket and you know you are loved. This blanket is a hug from me to you. Check online for the colors you are after. I hope you enjoy your blanket. This is something that you are looking for. It wraps around like so, 50 to 60 inches. Put it on the couch, a sofa, by the bed, in a chair when you need to have a blanket. From the company, Kenperry. Thank you for your time and view.